Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we are going to see a beautiful step called Ocho Cortado.
We're going to be giving you tips and technique to improve and make it more fun.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe with notifications, like, and share with your friends. That really helps.
Now let's get to work. Very good. One more time together so you can start seeing the details that we are using here. Again, side step one. We walk into the cruzada. Pam, 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 pam. So you already have this. Now, she's not ready to go. If I move here, she will trip. So make sure, leaders, you rotate just a little bit for her to change by weight. Now from here, we are going to do the rock step with this association. Remember, we were talking about opening the left shoulder blade. Can I do it one more time? Ta-dam, pam, pam. At this moment, I start to open my right shoulder blade and creating a little bit of distance, just a tiny bit. It can be in close embrace, but a little bit of distance is fine. From here, we are going to transfer by weight, and our step to the side, which is this one, will be smaller than her, very small. Tuck. Can you see this? I'm already pulling. The most common mistake, problems that happen for the leader is that it takes too long for us to pull back. So from here, we just zook, feet together. Can I do that one more time? So I'm using rock step, small step, pull to the right, pull to the left right away. I'm already pulling to bring her back to cruzada. And from here, yes, we pull, lower, and resolution.
Good. Okay, let's explain for the followers.
Before we continue with this second part of the video where we give you more technique and more tips, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango,
Where you can see our online tango school, online tango training, and access to a lot of videos and learn a lot of technique.
Again, our website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now let's go back to the second part. Side step 1 and to the cross, 2 and 3 and cross. Now the rock step, you have the technique, hip to the side, and I'm extending the left, don't make it back, and then from here, extend the right leg. Again, don't transfer weight too soon. We just place the right leg sliding, so body weight is back on the left in this case. When I transfer weight, I rotate the hips, so I'm facing the leader with the hips. Rock step on my left, but extension of the right. Very important point. So I'm not rocking and going back here in this case. I'm extending the right leg and opening the more you can. Don't rock step here with closed position. I rock step, open the line of the right foot. So when I go back, I feel the pulling. I'm going to transfer and pivot. Pivot, pivot, pivot. After I feel the pivot almost complete, then we go to the cruzada, to the cross. From here, we keep going to resolution, quick, quick, slow, and extra step to restart. Let's rotate so that we can show them the embrace on this side and also the timing. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, and little step to start. Again, one more time.
One more time from this side, let us show you. And if you notice during the rock step, I'm releasing a little bit my right side. You will see it here. 1, 2, 3, to release the embrace. Embrace again. Tac cruzada. Quick, quick, slow, small to start all over again. So during the back rock step, front for us, back for her, I'm releasing a little bit embrace, and to the side, I'm re-embracing. Otherwise, I will push her away from us. Very, very good work, guys. If you are still here, thank you so much for your support.
Remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and see you next week.
Bye.